The truth has been exposed for all eyes to see. People are becoming enlightened. People are seeing the true faces that hid behind the mask. Saturn and Aries is exposing these individuals. Whatever blockages that they had in your path, in the paths of others, will start to be removed just by standing in your power, just by being true to yourself, staying authentic, focusing on your own path, staying in your lane, and doing what makes you happy as long as it doesn't hurt anyone or yourself. Staying connected to God, universe, or whoever you believe in will help to expose these individuals. Your light actually exposes them because there's a heavy contrast. Before people were sleeping, they were under an illusion, being misguided by these individuals. You bring a very jovial, charitable, high vibrational energy to whatever environment you encounter. And sometimes when you're in this type of energy, you can get spiritually attacked because low vibrational entities do not like energies like yours. They fear you. They feel like you can see them and you're just minding your own business. But they think to themselves, how come they're so happy? How did they get to that state? I need to affect them. How can I affect their peace? They become desperate because by you being around highlights the falsities that they hid behind, and it also highlights their mental illness, because most of these individuals that seek out to attack you spiritually are unstable, and seeing you in your light, living out your purpose, affects them on a grand scale, because then they start to think to themselves, hold on a minute, I'm not living in my purpose. I'm not doing what they're doing. I'm not happy. How can I get to that state of happy? Then they become very angry. Then they try to scapegoat you, socially isolate you, humiliate you, because they want you gone, because by you being around highlights the truth about who they are. It's like a spotlight shines on them. And like I said, if people were unaware of these individuals' intentions before, when you come around, there's a massive contrast to the light and to the dark. So they may try or they may have tried to get you all up in your head by whatever means, but by keeping your vibrations high, staying away from folk like this, it just ricochets right back. You see, some of these individuals, they are so skilled at their manipulation that what they try and do is they try and throw their energy of manipulation onto you to make you appear as if you are the one that is untrustworthy, is a problem, has a problem with them, when they have a problem with you. But by staying in your light, whatever claims they have tried to manipulate looks laughable. then what happens is their behavior screams very loudly, as well as their jealousy towards you. They may have tried to act as if you were sneaky, because their spirit knows that you've caught on to them on a soul level. You may avoid these individuals because your energies do not align. Well, they say in Jamaica, my spirit don't take to them. That's what is said when you can feel that someone is not for you. And you may find that you avoid certain people. Or you may find that certain people avoid you. They can't give you eye contact. They avoid you. But then you look at them and then you see them giving you the evil eye. Can't keep their eyes off you, but they want to flee from you. Because they know by standing around you, you know who they are. And whether or not they know on a spiritual level, they know too. And guess what? Other people are starting to find out who they are. These individuals will be in a state of shock that their lies of depression that they try to mask, and I say that lightly because any of us can get depressed. But with these individuals, they do not go inwardly to seek forms to heal self, right? They repress their trauma, their unhealed wounds. These are the types of people that will say they are fine, but they're not, because their outer appearance indicates that all is not well. They may have a repressed, angry look when they are just being in their normal state. I mean, people have said to me, I've got a resting bee face, and that's when I'm thinking about what I need to cook when I go home, what I need to do when I go home. I'm thinking, right, this ain't one of them, right? This is like, you can see a grey energy surrounding these individuals. It's like, it's a mundane type vibe that they bring. So when these types of individuals see you happy, just being in your own state, at peace with yourself, you know, they get very angry. And then what they can try and do is try and rival you, to try and drag you down to the pits of despair where they reside. They say misery likes company, doesn't it? Don't they? Well, if these people were pretending to be someone that they're not, then their whole schemes are going to be exposed. And the thing is, it's not like they're in this state and they're minding their own business. No, they're projecting outwardly to individuals like yourself who they feel threatened by. How dare you be happy? How dare you be successful? How dare you have this or that? Whatever they're thinking in their head. What's going to happen is people are going to start being repelled by their energy. I don't know, man, but they were able to mask this energy for a long time, going into the lives of others, manipulating others, spreading their venom, taking people down the wrong path, talking people out of their goals, emotionally manipulating people out of their dreams, casting doubt onto people's ideas, making people feel like they have to answer to them. All because they don't want to do the work. People are waking up. And people will start leaving these people out in the cold. Finally seeing the toxicity that was all over them. But they managed to mask who they really were. But they will expose themselves. They will expose themselves for being a narcissist, a control freak, obsessed, and repressed. fixated on destroying others, these are all going to be exposed. Their fears are going to become a reality when people start walking away from them and walking towards the light. Okay? Connections that they had for a long time are going to remove themselves from this person. It's too much. These scenarios will play out over time. They may have played out already when Saturn was in Pisces. The residuals of that energy will possibly continue for some of you, because these types of energies, they don't leave people's lives easily. They cling on energetically, forcing their way into people's energetic field. And here some of you may need to do like a banishing ritual energetically, because these are the types of energies that don't want to leave people alone. They cross boundaries. They, for some of you, are experiencing narcissistic injury. And when these types of individuals experience narcissistic injury, they become even more vengeful, even more fixated. It's like, do you know who I am? How dare you not want to spend time with me? How dare you not want to date me? How dare you not want to be my friend? No. Whether they say that in word or not, their behavior will show you that. By still forcing interactions, conversations, phone calls, text messages, hovering around where you are at. For some of you, you may even need to roar at the demon inside of them for them to leave you alone. For them to get it. I'm not putting it out there, but this is what I feel. To say, no, go. Now. Because like I said, these people don't know about boundaries. And they're going to become even more desperate when you start to detach. But their plan has failed, or their plans are failing. People may have respected these individuals before, looked up to them, saw them in a high light, because these individuals had a way of, you know, inviting themselves into people's life by giving, you know, being of service, being indispensable. That was their way of situating themselves into people's life. So if someone's always being charitable and giving and so forth, initially people think, oh, this person's doing a kind gesture, but it was a means to bind others so that people are indebted by them, so that they get a say so in people's life. It's spiritual. And people will be moving away. If they hid behind an image of being this type of empress, that's going to be shattered, because empresses don't fixate and obsess on somebody to destroy because they are jealous of them. Empresses don't force themselves around others who clearly don't want to be around them. That's not empress behavior. So this person's going to be seen, or these people will be seen for who they really are. A page who was pretending to be an empress or an emperor, and who has compromised mental health issues, because that potentially will be exposed too. And what this person was doing to you will highlight their mental state, because being fixated on someone and coming for them and trying to send spiritual attack, that's also going to ricochet right back. You see, what these people don't understand is, like I said in my previous videos, there's certain people that you just leave alone, but they don't get the assignment. And it just shows where their mind's at. Because they're thinking in their head, if they get rid of you, if you go away, then they could be seen as the empress, because you are embodying the empress. Whether you are a man or a woman. You're embodying the Empress. And they are embodying the devil. All because you came around. Spirit put you in these places not for, for no reason. It was to break down this facade of these fake individuals running around, sabotaging others, stamping their authority, harassing others, spiritually bullying others, whether that's in a family situation, a work situation, a group, club, organization, wherever you know these people from. I'm feeling more work and I'm feeling more family. Could be sibling rivalry for some of you. They can't stand to be around you because they feel like you're showing them up. All you're doing is living in your truth, and Spirit is saying continue to live in your truth. Whatever lies they have told themselves about you or told others about you will stick onto them, because your actions will not match their words. And even if they think they're acting morally, the way they're moving, the trolls they're leaving is exposing them. You or the people of the signs that I mentioned could be Aries, Leo, Capricorn, Virgo, Cancer, Taurus, Libra again, Taurus, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node or Lilith. Stay in your light, King. Stay in your light, Queen.